As a member of the Home Depot SEED campaign, I get to choose some products to try out and review for them. There's no compensation. I just get to keep the product in the end. First one I'm checking out is the Niagara Conservation commercial grade shower head. It says it will save water and energy. It has a flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. So let's hook it up and see if we like it. Unpacking it reveals our shower head, polished chrome. It's got a few little marks on it, but not bad. I had to push down the washer and the screen. It was towards the top, but that may have just gotten loose during shipment. It's a very pretty little piece. So I'm going to get some Teflon tape, remove the old one, and actually take a shower, which I won't show you, and let you know what it's like. Just concluded taking a shower using this shower head, and I must say I'm very satisfied with it. The spray is not super wide and it's not super narrow, it's not harsh. It just actually felt like the previous shower head, which is also a low flow head. The difference is that this one is not adjustable, meaning that you can't adjust the spray from narrow to wide or massage, but I don't use any of that, so I'm fine with the shower head, and actually I'm going to leave this one in place. The head is, of course, adjustable left, right, up, and down. You know, it swivels. Nice chrome finish on it. Like I said, not adjustable. If you're coming from a shower head that's unrestricted, the big change, of course, will be the amount of water that's coming out, because you're only pushing 1.5 gallons. And your water heater, that hot water will take a little bit longer to come here. So in the winter, you might notice a difference because you're pushing a much lower rate. So it'll take longer for the hot water to get here. But conversely, because you're using less of that hot water, you can take a slightly longer shower. But that's not the purpose of this. It's actually to save water and save yourself a little bit of energy. And in those respects, I think it totally does it. It looks really nice. And for me, it's definitely a keeper.